We have a BMW X5 here. Customer states noise coming from the back wheels. Let me show you what we found. Remove the rotor. I heard the scraping noise. Look at this. Parking brake shoes are not even connected to the backing plates. Here's what happened. The brake hardware, as you can see, they're bent and they popped out. Those are your brake hardware. Both of them are bent. And what they were doing, they were actually rubbing on the inside of the rotor here. Luckily for us, the backing plate is good. We're gonna replace the hardware, reinstall the brake shoes. We thought it was these cheap Perfect Stop ceramic brake pads. I don't know why somebody would put this on the BMW. Poor choice in parts. We're also gonna do a rear brake pad service. Thanks for watching. See ya.